So hello friends, today we are going to learn quickly how you can start your first Django project in a proper way. So for that, first thing you have to know is that you have to first install the Python in your system, and after you have installed your Python successfully, now you are good to go to start your Django project. Now you have to first come to your directory where you have to create your Python project. So this is the directory where we are going to create our project. So what you can do is that you can open CMD here, and here you have opened the CMD. Now first thing what we have to do is that we have to install the virtual environment. So we are going to install the virtual environment by pip install virtual env. So this will install the virtual environment. So I've already have the virtual environment, so the requirement is already satisfied. Now after this, the first thing which you have to do before starting the any project is that you have to create a virtual environment. So let's create a virtual environment. So we will write virtual env, and the name of the virtual environment we are going to take env. So this is the name of the virtual environment. So what it will do, it will create a virtual environment for us. Here you can see that it has created a virtual environment. So this is the virtual environment env, and inside this file you can see that you have lib folder, you have a script folder, and these are some other files. In a script you can see that we have activate file. So we need to trigger this activate file in order to make sure that this env, which we have created virtual environment, is activated. So what we need to do is that we need to activate this. So for that, the command which we are going to use is that we to navigate first. So we will write env slash script. So this is the folder where our activate file is. We have to say actl activate. So it is not a script. Actually, it is a scripts. So we have to write here scripts. So what it will do, it will automatically it will activate your virtual environment. So whenever you see that your env is before this, that means you are inside your virtual environment. So anything which you will install is come to this virtual environment. It will not be installed in your system. So now let's install first thing, which is your Django. So we'll write pip install Django. Okay, so after installation of our Django, so what we have to do, we are good to go to create our first Django project. So what we have to do, we have to simply write a one command, which is Django admin start project, and we have to name the name. So we can write the name of the project as a first project. So this is the name of the project. So after clicking after this, so here you can see that you have created a Django project, which is first project. Here you can see that it is the main folder, and this is our manage.py file. Now let's open this in our VS Code. So here you can see that we are inside our project, which is present in our D new Django project, and your the project name is first project. So in this, what we have to do, we have to first activate our virtual environment. For that, we have to go before our first project, because our virtual environment exists in this folder, which is your new Django project. So what you can do, you can simply write cd, and it will come to the previous folder. Now here what we have to do, we have to simply activate. So for that, we have to again run that command, which is env slash scripts slash activate. So it will automatically activate your virtual environment. So you can see that you have activated your virtual environment. Now after this, what we have to do is that we have to run this program, which is your first project. So for this, what we can do, we can write python manage.py. So our manage.py is in next folder, which is in the first project. So we can write this run server. So here you can see that it has automatically run your Python project, Python file, which is manage.py. So when you click on this, it will automatically take you to the page where you can see that the installation worked successfully. Congratulations. So this is the page which makes sure that your Django project has been created. Now you can work on this project and create whatever you want. Thank you.